What is up, everybody, for another episode of Stinger GT and me. Of course, we're here with the car, and we got a little package here. I'm pretty sure I know what's in it. This came from kiastinger.com again, so let's get this open and see what we got to do today for the next mod. You gonna follow me over here? And most of the products and all the badges you've seen me do all come from kiastinger.com. You know, like I said before, they get the stuff to me really quick, and it's all OEM parts, so can't go wrong with that. And I know a lot of you said this should be the next thing I do, and of course, here they are. The Viking helmet wheel caps. What do you think, Efren? More of a Batman look or a Viking? I see a lot of Batman in that.
I see Batman.
Oh, it's badges. All right. So this literally should be like a 5-minute modification to the car. Real simple. All you need is a screwdriver, flathead, and that's it. Somebody to hold the camera. You should be it. Should take about 5 minutes. So we'll get set up on the first wheel and go from there. All right. So it's very simple to remove. What you need to do is on one of these 5 spokes, you should see, if you look down, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but there's a little notch, and it's like this, see? You can see that notch there. And what you want to do is get behind that notch with the screwdriver and basically just start prying outwards. Be real gentle. You know, don't go to town and scratch up your wheels by any means. If you're paranoid, put some painter's tape, but if you do it right, it's not going to be real difficult. Let's get serious. I remove my glasses here. We need to get serious with this. But just get it back there and just pry it. And that's it. I mean, simple as that. Actually, what's kind of cool is this lined up just in this groove, so that way you don't have to worry about the screwdriver slipping. It actually lines up in here, so that's pretty smart. But to put it on, find your spot that you want, and it should just be a simple, as far as I know. Oh, no, okay. I was gonna get a little rough. You see, there is a notch, so they gotta go in a specific spot.
Let me zoom into it.
And there's also the notch here. So this tab, however you pull it off, it needs to go off the same way. So if the tab's up here, when you on the new one you put down, the tab needs to go in the same spot. You can see that little section there. So, and you got that same little lip right there on it, little tab. So now let's try it again. Done. All right. So we'll change the other 3 and get a final little shot. And that's it. And we'll actually give you a sneak peek as to the next mod, because I had something shipped directly from Korea and it showed up 2 weeks early. So I'm extremely excited for that one. So it's a little more involved. Still shouldn't be too bad, but yeah, we'll get back to you at the end and do that little quick unboxing, and we'll put the rest of the caps and good to go.
See the packet with the part number?
Part number 52960 J5200, official Kia part. Alright, and I would suggest you keep these just in case you have another GT owner thief in the neighborhood who likes them and wants to take them off. At least you can put the Kia ones back on. I suggest always keep your parts. Don't ever get rid of them. Alright, so as you see, that was pretty dang easy. What, 5 minutes, if that ever? I don't even think it took that long. So,
I'd say 5 max.
so what we'd like to do is we just confused everybody more about what kind of car it is. They're really gonna have no idea now.
Wait till you see that guy driving down the street and sees your car and can't even figure out what it is, but he has to go online and check it because it's so nice.
Yeah.
Or that little kid that's driving with his mom and he sees that car and loves it, you're gonna have him for life.
They're gonna see the Stinger at the back because I'm usually gonna be going faster than them, so you know that's just normal. So you gotta drive it fast.
What's a Stinger?
And they'll Google it and they'll find the answer. Okay, so I want to address a couple questions before we get into this unboxing. But a couple people mentioned that we removed the Kia badge, or I removed it because I'm embarrassed. Not by any means. I personally like the design of the other ones, and the design of the car is amazing. So I wanted the badge to have that more elegant look to it to match the car. That's why I did it. I tell everybody it's a Kia first time. I don't ask. Oh, I don't stumble around. I let them know what it is. I'm proud of that car. I like it. It's a good car. I've only had it for barely over a month, right? Just a little bit. Of course, no problems yet. Shouldn't have any, but and if there is any, I'll definitely share it with you guys. But right now, the car's great. Everybody sees it. They love it. They can't believe it's a Kia, and they're just excited to see one in person because right now, there's not many. I think Efren spotted one more in town.
I saw a blue one, but it wasn't the GT. Is it GT2? Or is it just the GT?
I don't even think that if it's the one that I saw at the dealership, it's just the regular Stinger. Not
Do you have the GT2?
This is the GT2. I think they just had the regular
2.0.
Did it say GT on the back?
I was driving the other opposite direction, so all I saw was a car and it was blue.
As far as I remember, I did look at that one. It was the only base model they had at the time. Then it went the GT1 or GT in white, I think, or silver, gray, and then the GT1 was black, and then we got the GT2s.
And since he's talked about changing anything on this car, he mentioned he wanted to change the Stinger in the back because it looked good. I remember that.
Oh yeah, before I had the car, that was the first thing I go.
Yeah, because we saw it at the auto show. Remember, and it looked really nice.
We saw the blue one and the orange, the SEMA one was there at the LA Auto Show.
And the front badge, he was undecisive to change it whether it would look good or not. It was never to remove any Kia badging. No. He had a Kia before the Subaru, before your STI, and never once have you ever said anything about being embarrassed to have a Kia. No. Nowadays, Kias are so nice that I see a lot of people gravitating towards Kia just because of the value they get for the brand.
Oh yeah, you get a lot more in those things than you get.
So people that comment that he's embarrassed, that's why he's taking off the badge, is never because of that.
Nope. But okay, so I got a box here, as I said. Hyundai Mobis. I forgot what that means. I did look it up, but it's just Hyundai's little thing. But it's official. Key over here. Like I said, it showed up 2 weeks early. I was not expecting this at all. But I know what it is. But I figure I'd just let you guys get a sneak peek now. This is something that I wished our cars came with. I was a little upset that it didn't because the first Kia or Stinger that I saw in our showroom was the Korean version, and it had this on it as standard for them, and I wanted that. And just the other, was it last week? No, this week. Yeah, because I just ordered it. I think Tuesday night. Somebody released them on eBay, so they're out there. You gotta look for them. I'll put the part number in the description. I don't have it on me right now, but we'll get it to you for sure. But I wanted this from day one. I was a little upset that our cars didn't have it.
Something that I saw that was pretty cool was what the Canadian versions have. In Canada, they're not GT2s or GT Limiteds, and they have a wireless charger on it, which is pretty cool.
So here it is. This is the official nice center console. Because who wants to look at those cup holders? Come on, when you're not using them, you want it to be smooth up here and flow, and now I've got the official part to replace that center console.
Keeps your car cleaner too.
Oh yeah, it just looks so much better. I mean, it's not, I don't know, just this simple thing, it may just be me, But this is one thing I was really upset that we didn't get. So that'll be the next modification we do. I'm a little concerned because I'm really not sure how to do this. I see screw holes here, and this is what's above here is actually the buttons. So I'm a little concerned of how easy this is going to be or not. So, you know, only one way to do is get into it and see from there. If anybody has done this, which I don't think so, let me know what you can find, any information
Post the video.
you got. Yeah, because of course they're not going to send me any instructions at all. So, well, until next time.
Sorry for the shakes, guys.
Yeah, he's got the old shaky. But until next time, hey, check out our other videos. We got of course, the E-badge install. We got the Stinger badge install. We got the oil change video. If you want to do your own oil changes, all the info's there. But hey, until next time, thanks for watching.
You guys are lucky. You guys might get more skits.